cafe.
It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to 20 Minutes English Daily. I'm Anna, tuning in from Singapore today. Then, where are you calling from this time?
I'm back in France, actually, sitting in a tiny cafe in Lyon. There's jazz music, fresh croissants, and I'm trying very hard not to order another one.
You're in a cafe? That's perfect for today's topic. And I'm literally drinking a matcha latte right now, so we're fully in the theme.
See? This is destiny. Or caffeine destiny.
So today, we're talking about how to order food and drinks naturally at a cafe. Something simple, but trust me, so many English learners still feel nervous when it's their turn at the counter.
Absolutely. You don't want to just stand there like, coffee, me, want.
Hey, I used to order like that when I first moved to the UK. I panicked and said a cup of cappuccino.
A cup is adorable. But no worries, we're going to help everyone order with confidence today. So let's ease into it. When you walk into a cafe, the very first thing you need is a simple phrase, to order. And honestly, you don't need anything complicated. You don't need Shakespeare. You don't need poetry. You just need something clear and friendly.
Exactly, like the 3 classic lines. Hi, can I have a? Hi, could I get a? I'd like the...
These are your superheroes, your Avengers, your I'm not going to sound awkward today phrases.
Yes, and the great thing is, they fit every situation. Fancy cafe? Works. Super loud cafe with hip-hop music? Still works. Airport cafe at 6 a.m. when everyone is half asleep? Definitely works.
And here's the cool part. When you say these phrases with a little smile, the whole ordering experience feels smoother. Even if your English is not perfect, the friendliness makes everything better.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and speaking of pronunciation, Ben, you heard some interesting pronunciations before, right?
Oh yes, once a student told me, Ben, I ordered a macchiato, and the barista looked confused.
A what now?
They were trying to say macchiato.
Oh, that's adorable. And honestly, pronunciation mistakes are okay. Baristas are used to it. You're not the first person in cafe history to stumble over Italian coffee names.
Exactly. And if you're ever unsure, you can just point at the menu and say, Hi, can I have this one, please?
Totally acceptable. I do that in Japan all the time.
Same. And by the way, if you want to sound natural, don't start with give me.
Yes, please don't. It sounds like you're robbing the cafe.
Give me a latte.
Hands up and add extra foam.
So stick with can I have or could I get? Friendly, soft, not aggressive.
Another small but powerful tip. Add please at the end. It's tiny, but it changes the whole vibe.
Right. Can you have an iced caramel latte, please? Easy, smooth, polite.
And if you want to take it to the next level, you can start your order with a greeting. Something simple like, Hi, how's your day going? Or, Hi, morning. Or, Hi there.
Yes, people underestimate the power of a friendly greeting. It sets the mood. Even if the barista is tired, they usually smile back.
And trust me, your English instantly sounds more natural.
So let's do a little mini practice. Say you walk into a cafe. Anna, you go first.
Okay, I walk up to the counter and say, Hi, good afternoon. Could I get a hot chocolate, please?
Perfect. Simple, polite, warm. Your turn. Hi there. Can I have a cappuccino, please?
See? Easy. Anyone listening right now, you can totally do that.
And if you're shy, Remember, the barista does this 200 times a day. They don't expect you to be perfect. They just want to know what drink you want.
Yes, this is not an English test. You're not going to fail. Worst case, they ask you to repeat. No big deal.
Exactly. Take your time, breathe, and use the simple starter phrases. They're your best friends.
Now, let's talk about ordering food at a cafe. Drinks are easy, but food can be confusing because every cafe has different items. Sandwiches, pastries, cakes, salads, breakfast sets, sometimes even things like avocado toast that cost more than your electricity bill.
Yes, avocado toast is like the luxury item of cafes.
It's basically the Louis Vuitton of breakfast.
So, here are some natural ways to order food. Could I get a slice of carrot cake? Can I have the chicken sandwich? I'd like the breakfast set, please. Can I get the tuna melt to go?
And notice they're all just small variations of the same structure. Super easy.
Now, one thing cafes love to do is put fancy words on ordinary food. You'll see things like artisanal sourdough with sun-dried tomatoes.
Bro, it's just bread. It's bread. Calm down.
Yes, so if the menu looks complicated, don't panic. You can simply ask, "What's in this? Could you explain this dish? Is this sweet or savory?"
Oh, I love asking, is it sweet? Because sometimes something looks sweet but tastes like sadness.
Or the opposite. A muffin looks sweet but tastes like cardboard.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to ask questions. Cafes expect it.
Asking about availability. Do you have any left? Because sometimes the best item is sold out.
Yes. My heart breaks every time someone says, sorry, we just sold the last chocolate croissant.
You look like you lost a family member.
Because I did. That croissant was part of my soul.
But you can say things like, do you still have the blueberry muffin? Any croissants left? Is the sandwich still available?
Short, natural, and saves your time.
Asking for recommendations. Sometimes I'm too indecisive. I'll stare at the menu for 10 minutes, like I'm choosing my major in college again.
Yes, Anna makes choosing a sandwich look like choosing a life partner.
Because food is love.
True. So if you can't decide, just ask the barista, what do you recommend? What's popular today? Is there something light? Do you have something not too sweet? I use not too sweet all the time, especially in Asia. Sugar levels are unpredictable.
Very unpredictable. One time, I ordered iced tea in Singapore, and it tasted like liquid candy.
That's taste special for you.
So, asking, is it sweet, saves lives.
Okay, let's do a tiny practice. Ben, pretend you're ordering breakfast in a cafe.
All right? Hi, can I have the ham and cheese croissant, please? And do you still have the berry muffin?
Nice. My turn. Hi, could I get the avocado toast? And is the granola bowl sweet or not too sweet?
Perfect. Notice how calm and natural that sounds. Cultural fun fact.
Oh, and one thing I learned in different countries, what counts as breakfast food changes everywhere.
Yes, some places have eggs and toast, others have heavy food like rice or noodles.
So don't be surprised if you see spaghetti at 9 a.m.
And don't be shy if you want cake for breakfast. It's your life.
Exactly, it's a judgment-free cafe zone.
All right, now let's get into something very important when ordering at cafes. Customizing your food or drink, because cafes love asking you questions, sometimes too many questions.
Yes, you think ordering coffee is simple, but suddenly it becomes an interview.
Hi, can I get a latte?
Barista, hot or ice? What size? Full cream, oat, almond, soy? Extra shot? Less ice? More foam? Any syrup? You want it on the spot or takeaway? What's your life purpose?
Exactly. And you're like, bro, I just woke up. Common follow-up questions and how to answer them.
Let's help people handle those questions calmly. Here are the most common ones.
1. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Iced, please.
2. What size?
Small, please.
Medium, please.
Large, please.
Easy. And trust me, nobody will judge your size choice, except maybe me if Ben orders a tiny drink.
Hey, I have a delicate soul.
3. Milk preference.
Whole milk, please.
Skim milk, please.
Oat milk, please.
Almond milk, please.
Oat milk gang rise.
I'm actually a boring regular milk type.
And that's okay. We accept you.
4. Sweetness.
Less sugar, please.
No sugar, please.
Half sugar, please.
Normal sugar is fine.
This one is especially useful in Asia.
100%. If you don't say anything, you're getting sweet, like dessert sweet.
5. Extra shot or extra toppings?
Can I add an extra shot?
Can I add whipped cream?
Can I add caramel syrup?
I once added so many extras that my drink became more expensive than my lunch.
That's the café tax.
Asking for alternatives.
Now, sometimes cafes don't have what you want. Maybe they're out of almond milk. Maybe they don't do scrambled eggs. Maybe the cake you want is gone.
So you can ask,
Do you have an alternative?
what can I get instead?
Is there something similar?
What would you recommend?
For example, if the cafe says, sorry, no almond milk today, you can say, oh, okay. Do you have oat milk then?
Or if there's no chocolate croissant, you can ask, what pastry would you recommend instead?
Baristas love helping with that. They usually know what's fresh that day.
Many real-life moments.
I remember one time in Singapore, I ordered a cheesecake, but the barista said, we only have matcha cheesecake left.
Did you panic?
Of course. My brain needed 5 seconds to process that information.
And then?
I panicked more and said, okay, I'll get, whatever is green.
That's one way to handle it.
But see, if you're not sure, just ask, what does it taste like? Is it very strong? Is it sweet?
These questions save you from ordering something you secretly hate. Special requests, politely.
Some cafes allow special requests, but you have to be polite and simple. Like, could you make it less sweet?
Could you warm it up for me?
Could you toast the sandwich, please?
Could I have the dressing on the side?
Just don't go full Gordon Ramsay. Make the sandwich crisp, but not too crisp. Lightly toast it on the sides, and make the latte 37.5 degrees Celsius.
Please don't torture the baristas. Keep it simple. Most cafes are happy to help if your request is reasonable. Role play time. Customizing orders. Let's do a practice scene. I'll be the customer. Anna can be the barista.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I have an iced latte with oat milk, less sugar, and an extra shot, please?
Sure. Anything to eat?
Do you still have the chocolate muffin?
Sorry, it's sold out.
Ah, okay. What do you recommend?
The lemon loaf is popular today.
Great. I'll take that. Thanks.
See? Very simple, very natural.
And that's how you sound confident even when customizing a complicated order. Now let's talk about something every English learner goes through when ordering at a cafe. Misunderstandings. Sometimes the cafe gets your order wrong, or you say something unclear, or your accent confuses them, and that's totally normal.
Yes, even native speakers mess up orders. Like, I once asked for a mocha in London and somehow ended up with a matcha latte.
That's not even close.
I know. I heard, we're out of mocha, but the guy actually said, we're out of matcha. My brain just gave up that day.
This is why you need simple fixing phrases. So let's teach everyone how to handle these situations politely and easily. Number 1, if you didn't hear the barista, you can say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "Sorry, what was that? Could you repeat that, please?"
Very natural, and nobody will judge you for asking. Sometimes cafes are loud. People talking, espresso machines screaming, milk frothing like it's having an existential crisis.
Yes, so ask confidently. Number 2, if the cafe misunderstood your order.
Let's say you ordered iced coffee, but they bring hot coffee. Just say, "Sorry, I actually ordered an iced coffee."
Or if they give you a croissant, but you wanted a muffin, "Sorry, I think this isn't my order. I ordered the muffin."
No need to panic. No need to apologize 20 times. Just one calm sentence.
Number 3, if you want to change your order.
Sometimes you order something too fast and immediately regret it. This is me every time I see a dessert after ordering something healthy.
Then you can say, "Sorry, can I change my order?" Or, "Is it okay if I switch to the latte instead?"
And cafes usually say yes, unless they already started making it.
Number 4, when you made a pronunciation mistake.
This is so common. And honestly, everyone does it.
Even native speakers. I heard someone order a croissant instead of croissant.
And the barista still understood because they're trained to handle every version of every coffee name on earth.
So if you mispronounce something, just correct yourself or let it go. No need to feel embarrassed.
Mini story time. Anna and Ben cafe disaster.
Okay, let's share one of our cafe disaster stories. Anna, you start.
All right, so once in Singapore, I tried to order an iced chocolate, but the barista misheard me and gave me ice water.
No way.
Yes, and the worst part is that I accepted it. I didn't say anything. I went to my table like, okay, maybe hydration is important.
That's relatable. So relatable. I once ordered in French, in France, my own country, and the barista thought I said extra sugar instead of no sugar.
Triple sugar in France? That's not coffee, that's dessert.
Exactly. It tasted like melted candy.
These moments remind people that it's okay to speak up. If something is wrong, just say it politely. "Sorry, I asked for no sugar."
Yes, baristas are used to it. They don't get angry.
Number 5, when you don't know the English word.
This happens all the time. Maybe you want something but don't know the English name.
So you can say, "How do you call this in English?" Or, "What's the name of this one?" while pointing at the menu or display.
Totally normal and super effective. Pointing is your best friend.
Literally. Even I point at things when traveling. "Hi, I want that one." And that's it for today's episode, everyone. We hope this helped you feel more confident when ordering food and drinks at cafes.
Yeah, ordering should be fun, not stressful. And the more you practice these simple phrases, the more natural it'll feel.
Exactly. And remember, mistakes are normal. Misunderstandings happen. Even we mess up our orders all the time.
The most important thing is to stay calm, smile, and use the phrases we taught today. You'll be ordering like a pro in no time.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow 20 Minutes English Daily for more natural conversations and real-life English.
And if you want us to cover a specific topic, like airport English, traveling, dealing with roommates, anything, just let us know.
Thanks for spending your 20 minutes with us.
Stay curious, stay confident.
And keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next episode.